Welcome all. Okay, today I will going to show you how to create wedding band. Okay, let's go our video. You go first this circle command, click this one and come front view. Press 0, then enter. Then my ring rail is I 17 millimeter diameter ring rail I use today. 17, enter, then enter. Okay, now I want to offset this curve. You go this curve command, this select this one, offset curve command, then select curve. I this one I want to offset 0.8 millimeter. I enter 0.8, then press enter, then click. Okay, again I want to offset this curve. Select first, then go again curve command, this one offset curve command, select. Then I want to offset this curve 0.6 millimeter. Press enter, then okay. Okay, then now my curve is already okay. Now I want to extrude this curve and this curve first. Select these two, then you go to this select this command, extrude cross span curve. Select this one, then you go command from this one, both side, yes, solid, yes. Okay, these two are yes. Then I want to type one side is 3 millimeter. Enter 3, enter. Now I have 6 millimeter width already. Okay, now I want to extrude this curve and this curve. Select this curve. Okay, you press shift and you can select this both curves. Okay, now I want to extrude this two curve. Go to extrude command, then this one I want to extrude 2.5 millimeter. Enter 2.5. Okay, now we are going to perspective view. Okay, my ring is okay. You also can try this one. This one very easy to create. Okay, if you like my video, please subscribe my channel and like